Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar which is broadcast every Thursday at 11 a.m. I am Serhat and today's webinar's topic is fire alarm manual call points. Manual call points are one of the most important devices of the fire detection system. It allows people in a location to manually report the occurrence of fire to the fire detection system. Products and systems with internationally accepted quality approval certificates should be preferred in fire detection systems. Organizations that issue quality approval certificates, they test the products and systems in the laboratory in accordance with the relevant standards and issue a quality certificate to products and systems in accordance with the result obtained. All devices that make up the system are tested separately and a quality certificate is issued separately. In other words, fire control panel, optical smoke, heat, manual call point, sounders, and other devices are given quality approval certificates separately. The features and performance criteria of the manual call points are specified in EN 5415 standard. It's important that the manual call points are recognizable and easy to use. The purpose of using the manual call point is to start the operation of the fire alarm system in the detection of fire. Operating methods of manual call points. There are two methods, Type A and Type B. Type A is direct operation with single action, and Type B is indirect operation with second action. Manual call points should be permanently marked with the following information: number of the standard, name or trademark of the manufacturer or supplier, model description, environment category, cable terminal description. The signs or codes specified by the manufacturer must be at least the date or batch code, place of manufacture, version number of the software. An example for the use of square working surface, and in the right side, example for using the rectangular working surface. Example for front face and working surface symbol positions in Type A and operated alarm device. And here's again example for front face and working surface sample positions in a Type B hand-operated alarm device. Features of Max Logic manual call point. It is produced by use of surface mount technology. It's easily resettable, high and stable operation performance. It has optional transparent protection cover. It is user-friendly device, and it is microprocessor control. And when we come to the indicators, there are two pieces LED indicators are available on the manual call points as mentioned below. The first LED is fire alarm LED and second LED is fault LED. The fire alarm LED is red color. It flashes during question manual call point address when it communicates with the panel. In alarm condition, LED illuminates permanently. And the fault LED is yellow color. In short circuit condition, LED illuminates permanently. LED turns off when the short circuit condition disappears. This LED is only available in short circuit isolator models. Thank you for your participation to our webinar. If you have questions about this webinar and before week's webinars, You can feel free to ask me from chat box.